and break your mama's back. Oh, my back! One of my kids must have stepped on a crack. Hello? Mom's back is broken? I'm coming home right now. That kid's in trouble. Hi, Dad. Come here, you're getting a whooping. Why? Because you stepped on a crack and break your mama's back. No, please, I'm sorry, I'll never step on a crack again. Nuh-uh. Too late. Get in your position. Don't ever step on a crack. Help! Help me! Never step on a crack again, or you'll get another whooping. Go home.